In this video, I'll show you how to get a GitHub Copilot discount code in 2026. First, visit the official GitHub website and sign into your GitHub account. If you don't already have an account, create one to get started. Next, open the GitHub Copilot page and review the available subscription plans. Check whether GitHub is currently offering promotional pricing, free trials, student benefits, or special discounts for eligible users. After that, subscribe to GitHub's email updates and check your account for any personalized offers that may be available. If you're a verified student, teacher, or maintainer of a qualifying open-source project, review whether you're eligible for GitHub Copilot at no additional cost. Now, if you have a valid discount code, select the GitHub Copilot plan you want and continue to the checkout page. Enter your promo code in the appropriate field and verify that the discount has been applied before completing your subscription. Finally, review your order summary to confirm the final price before completing your purchase. If there aren't any active promotions, check back periodically, as GitHub may introduce new offers or limited-time discounts throughout the year. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get a GitHub Copilot discount code in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.